What if you stopped eating food completely and survived only on water for 7 days? No breakfast, no lunch, no dinner. Just water. Some people call it water fasting. Others say it's dangerous. But what actually happens inside your body day by day? Today, we'll break down the real effects of drinking only water for 7 days, backed by science. Day 1-2. Hunger takes over. During the first 24 to 48 hours, your body still relies on stored glucose for energy. You'll feel intense hunger, low energy, headaches, and mood swings. Your stomach may growl constantly, and concentration becomes difficult. This phase is the hardest mentally. Day 3-4, fat burning mode. By day 3, your glucose stores are empty. Your body switches to fat and ketones for fuel. Hunger starts to decrease, but weakness, dizziness, and cold sensitivity increase. Some people notice mental clarity, while others feel extremely tired. Day 5 to 6, muscle loss and deficiency risk. Without nutrients, your body may start breaking down muscle for survival. Electrolyte imbalance can occur, causing cramps, irregular heartbeat, or low blood pressure. Dehydration risk increases if electrolytes aren't managed properly, even though you're drinking water. Day 7, serious stress on the body. By day 7, the body is under major stress. Vitamin and mineral deficiencies can become dangerous. For some people, this can lead to fainting, extreme weakness, or medical emergencies. This is why long water fasts should never be done without medical supervision. Potential benefits: rapid weight loss, reduced insulin levels, temporary digestive rest. But these benefits are often short-lived. The truth: a 7-day water fast is not a magic detox. Your liver and kidneys already detox your body naturally. For most people, safer options like intermittent fasting or balanced dieting work better long-term. So, should you drink only water for 7 days? For most people, no, it's risky and unnecessary. If you're thinking about fasting, always choose a safer, sustainable approach. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health content. See you in the next video.